Alright, we got a 2022 Chevy Equinox with a P129F fault for the fuel pump driver module. Comes in with a crank no start condition. It just keeps trying to crank like the fuel's not running. We're going to be replacing the fuel pump driver module, or fuel pump control module. First, disconnect your battery. I went ahead and raise it up, take all your fasteners loose. Alright, so you take all your fasteners loose. This whole piece comes off. Alright, then here's your module right here. Alright, so you take your nut and your bolt. There you go.